In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an explainer video in Canva. First, open up ChatGPT and type a prompt to create a short script. Make sure to ask ChatGPT to break it down scene by scene. Click Enter and wait until it's generating the answer. Once the script is ready, go to Canva, go to Video, choose Landscape Video, and it will bring you to the editor page. Now let's build the visuals based on the script. Once you've done with the visuals, let's add the audio. To do that, you can go to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen, then go to the Audio category, and click Generate AI Voice. Copy and paste the script from ChatGPT for each scene. Select the language, select the voice profile you like, and click Generate AI Voice. Then do the same thing to the other scenes. After that, match the length of the visual pages with the audio. Lastly, let's add a transition between scenes. To do that, you can go to the gap between any pages, then click Add Transition, and choose the transition that you want from these options. Now let's click this play button to see the final result.
Ever wonder why your phone battery seems to disappear so fast? One reason is background apps. Even when you're not using them, they can still consume power. A screen that's too bright can also drain your battery much faster than you think. Keeping Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services on all the time uses extra energy too. And if your phone is a few years old, battery wear could be the biggest culprit. Lower your brightness, close unused apps, and use Battery Saver to make your battery last longer.
Once you're happy with the result, you can go to the top corner right and click the Share button. Click Download, choose the file type as MP4 video, and click this purple download button. So that's how to make an explainer video in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.